class, it's Karen from Karen's English Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I hope you're all doing well. Today class, we're going to learn about personal information. Okay, this is your information. Okay, it's personal. You can or you don't have to share it with people. Okay, I'm going to teach you today how to write out your personal information, and we'll do some pronunciation as well. All right, class, so let's take a look at personal information. Okay, the first one is your name. Okay, so you need to write your name. Your first name, okay, so say your first name is Mary. Okay, Mary Ann. Okay, and then we'll say Garcia. Okay, so this is my whole name. Mary is my first name, okay, Ann, my middle name, and Garcia is my last name. Okay, so first name, we said Mary. So if they only want to know your first name, then you write your first name, Mary. Now don't change your name either. Some people have a couple different last names, or they use their married name and then they use their maiden name. Only use one when you are filling out forms, for example, for school, a registration form. Just use one name. Don't change it for school and then change it for work, okay? It confuses people. Very good. So your first name's Mary. Now, if I say middle initial, okay, so middle initial, my middle name is Ann, but I only want the middle initial. So I only want the letter. So middle initial would be A. Okay, my middle name is Ann, but my middle initial is A. So Mary Ann Garcia, Mary first name, middle initial A. If they say middle name, then I would write Ann. Okay, number 4, last name, or some people say family name or surname. Sometimes people will say this, surname. Okay, and that is Garcia. Okay, that's my last name, that is my surname, and that's my family name. So, Garcia. Okay, so Mary Ann Garcia, first name Mary, Mary. Middle initial, I only want the first letter of my middle name, A. Last name, some people say family name, some people say surname. Okay, so last name, Garcia. Very good. Now, address. Okay, where do you live? What is your address? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 Maple Street. Okay, Newhall, California, 91321. Okay, so these are all just examples. Okay, so this is my address. 1234 Maple Street, Newhall, California, 91321. Now, address is complete here. What is my city? So if I look at my city is Newhall. Okay, so that's my city. All right. My state is California. Now I could write California. Okay, so I could write out California and that would be fine, but usually people just write CA. It's easy, it's an abbreviation, and it's fine. Okay, so state, California, CA is fine. Now, zip code, so I look up here at my address, okay, 91321. Okay, 91321 is my zip code. Now, it's important, class, to have all this information complete You can't leave out your zip code. You can't leave out the state. Okay, there's a lot of people in the world, so you need to be very complete. Okay, so you need to have the number, your street name, the city, the state, and the zip code. Okay, whatever they ask for, you need to be complete, and make sure when you write, it's very neat. Someone, when they look at it, they're like, oh, okay, I can see it. All right, very good. Okay, so zip code. Now, area code. What are we talking about when we're talking about an area code? We're talking about a phone number. Could be your cell phone number, your home number, your work number, okay? Usually we put it in parentheses, okay? Okay, 818-661-714-310. Okay, there's a lot of different area codes, all right? And it's really important that you put it with your phone number. If you don't put it with your phone number, they don't know where you're actually from and how to call you at that number. Okay, so the telephone number, always include your area code. So if it's 818, okay, 365-9645, okay, make sure you put the area code and the complete number together. Don't just put 365-9645 alone. Put your area code also, okay? Very important. You need to put it. Okay, so area code and phone number, complete everything. Okay, now if you have email, all right, if you have an email, all right, teacher@gmail.com. Okay, that's not my email. It's just an example. But if I write it like this, teacher, this sign right here means at. So when I say teacher at Gmail, and this period here is .com. So teacher at gmail.com. Okay, this one is at, this one is dot, okay? So at, this one dot, teacher at gmail.com. And it's important that you know your email account, okay? Your email number. Okay, number 12, social security number. So if you're working and your employer asks for your social security number, then you need to write it, okay? So 023489625, okay? It's not my social security number, it's maybe somebody's, but I don't know. So that's the social security number. 3 numbers here, 2, and then 4 numbers here, okay? All right, now when it says sex on a registration form, are you a male or a female? Okay, sometimes they just say like this, M or F. Okay, so male, female. Okay, so male is for a man. Okay, man, boy. Female is woman. Okay, and sometimes they'll write other. Okay, for other genders, because now there's a lot of different genders, and that's okay. But you can write down what you prefer in this box over here. Okay. All right, let's look at number 14. Number 14 is DOB. Sometimes you only see DOB and you're like, what is DOB? Okay, so DOB stands for date of birth. Okay, your birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, the day you were born, the date you were born. So you're going to write down the month. Okay, so say it's March. Okay. Date 17th, and then we've got 1985. March 17th, 1985. Or you can write it like this. You can put 03 for March, January, February, March, January, February, March. Okay, that's the third month. Third month here. Okay. 17. And then we have 85. And that's okay to do it like that too. Okay? And then the last one, number 15 class for your personal information is place. Place of birth. Okay, so your place of birth is where you were born, your location. Were you born in Mexico, Guatemala, Hawaii, China, Japan, California, Texas, United States? Okay, you could be specific and you can put a state, or you can be general and just put the United States. Okay, it depends what they're asking you for. Okay, so the place would be the location, place of your birthday, when you were born and where you were born. All right, so I was born in Burbank, okay, California. All right, so wherever you were born, okay, it doesn't matter, but they want to know where, the location, the place of birth. Okay. All right. So personal information. Let's go ahead and review different things that you may be asked on a registration form, maybe at the DMV, when you go to the doctor's office. Okay. So let's practice, class. All right. So repeat after me. Name. Name. First name. First name. Middle initial. Middle initial. Last name. Last name. Family name. Family name. Surname. Surname. Okay, and remember, these are all the same. All the same. Number 5, address. Address. Number 6, city. City. Number 7, state. State. Number 8, zip code. Zip code. Number 9, area code. Area code. Okay, remember zip code, location for your address, and this is the phone number, okay? This phone number. Number 10, telephone number. Telephone number. Now sometimes they'll just say phone number, and that's fine too. It's the same thing. Okay, so telephone number, phone number is the same. Telephone number. Number 11, email. Email. It's electronic mail, okay? On the computer. Email. Number 12, social security number. Social security number. And remember, that's for work. Number 13, sex. Sex. Okay, so are you male, female, or other? Male is a man, your gender. Female, woman, gender, or other gender. Number 14, D-O-B. D-O-B. Date of birth. Date of birth. Okay, your birthday. And 15, the last one, place of birth. Place of birth. The location on your birthday, the first day. All right, class, thank you so much for joining me today at Karen's English Classroom. So please subscribe to my channel, and I enjoy seeing you again. Have a very wonderful day. Bye.